What if fire suddenly stopped working everywhere on Earth? Imagine waking up tomorrow and every flame just dies. Car engines stop running mid-drive, causing massive crashes on highways. Planes fall from the sky as their jet engines shut down instantly. Entire cities go dark as power plants that burn coal and gas completely fail. Hospitals lose electricity, putting millions of patients on life support in deadly danger. Restaurants can't cook food anymore. Factories that need heat to make steel, glass, and chemicals all shut down forever. Within hours, the global economy collapses as supply chains break down completely. But here's the twist. Deadly forest fires would never threaten us again, and air pollution would disappear overnight. Humans would be forced back to medieval times, using only solar panels, water wheels, and wind power to survive. We'd have to completely rebuild civilization from scratch without any fire-based technology. The question is, could humanity actually adapt and thrive in a world where striking a match is physically impossible?